One of the things that I like the most about summer is rewarding myself with refreshing, colorful and beautifully decorated treats. When the heat makes it impossible to turn on the oven, but it doesn't stop your craving for desserts, there's nothing better than the flavorful and satisfying bite of an easy and healthy no-bake tart. Let's start with the crust. In a food processor, add 50 grams of almond flour, 60 grams of pecan nuts, 60 grams of almonds, 1 full serving spoon of maple syrup, 10 or 20 grams of cocoa powder, and 8 pecan Medjool dates. Process until all the ingredients are well combined and crumbly and begin to stick together. It took me about 30 seconds. Prepare a tart pan by lining its removable bottom with parchment paper. Add the dough to the pan and press into the bottom and sides. A tablespoon dipped in water will help you to shape the dough faster and more evenly. When you're done, refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the filling. In a cup, add 125 grams of fresh blueberries, 30 grams of brown sugar, and 1 serving spoon of lemon juice. Blend the ingredients. Pour the mixture into a pan and bring to a boil. Then add 5 grams of agar-agar powder, previously dissolved in some water. Boil the mixture for 2 minutes and set it aside. In a bowl, add 400 grams of your favorite full-fat cream cheese or Greek yogurt at room temperature. You can also use the same quantity of plant-based ingredients. Add 20 grams of sugar or sweetener. Whisk to soften and combine. Add the blueberry concentrate to the cream cheese filling and whisk until well combined. Pour the blueberry filling into the cold tart crust and spread it to even it out. Let the filling cool at room temperature for 30 minutes. The steam produced by the residual heat needs to escape in order to prevent condensation inside the container. Do not worry about the filling. In fact, agar-agar can also gellify at room temperature. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until the filling is set. Top with fresh blueberries, shaved dark chocolate and mint leaves just before serving. You will be cuddled by the comforting sweetness of dates, maple syrup and brown sugar, which enrich and intensify the creamy and velvety texture of the blueberry filling with their hints of caramel and vanilla. The cool touch of mint gives a refreshing boost to dark chocolate cars and fresh blueberries. Each bite is a victorious combination of bright flavors that you won't forget easily. Fragrant yet soft, warm yet refreshing, this tart is so addictive that you won't resist taking another slice. If you want to make this recipe, please read the description box first. You will find important information about the ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.